Hi guys, welcome to OnlineCameraShop.NL channel. So today I'm gonna show you the inbox for HD video processor with 8 camera input. So like you see, we open it. This thing for the unit. We have the charger here, and we have the unit here. Like you see, there is a power menu, exit button, auto, freeze button, mode, zoom button, enter, and different camera views. First one, second one, third, fourth one, different one, different display, I mean. So here we have the monitor output, we have the DC in 12 volt 1 ampere. We have here the video input, the camera input 1 till 8. So here, here, of course, system features. So English menu, Chinese, of course, power off menu, function, automatic, PAL and TSC selection, real time 8, split mode, quad split mode, dual split mode, full screen mode, pipe screen mode, auto sequencing mode, high resolution display quality, high performance freeze function, high performance zoom function, remote control. So yeah, and this is the different views which they have for the output image. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.